Hi, I am from this company, creativity.com, based out of Hyderabad, Vanasthalipuram. I live in Vanasthalipuram. So today I will take a topic. Today's topic is integer. How to use integers in C language. So the data type is int. The data type is integer. In short, it is int. Okay. Examples of int are say 100, 101, 600, 1, 10. These are examples of integers. Integer means without decimal point. It is a number in mathematics. It is a number in mathematics, but without decimal point. These numbers are called as integers. Calculate area of rectangle with the length length is equal to 10 and breadth is equal to 20. So this is the problem, mathematical problem. So whenever you want to write a computer program for a given problem, you should be able to solve it manually. So let us how we solve here. So length value is 10. I'm solving manually. On a paper, breadth is equal to say 20, and area of rectangle is equal to length multiplied by breadth. This is a formula. So when you do it manually, what you do, you substitute the value of length multiplied by 20. The result is 200. And finally, you write the answer like this. Answer area of rectangle is equal to 200. This way, you can solve the problem. If you look at this solution, how many variables we are using in this solution? This is the problem. I have written a solution. This is how I solve this problem. On the paper, I did like this. So here length, this is a variable. The value is 10. Breadth, this is also a variable name. The value is 20. It is an integer. Here also 10 is an integer. Area is another variable, and the formula to calculate area of rectangle is length multiplied by breadth. So when I do it manually, I substitute the values for length and breadth. 10, 20. So when I multiply 10 and 20, the result is 200. Now I will write like this. Area of rectangle is equal to 200. If you observe this solution, there are three variables we used. One is length, second one is breadth, third one is area. That means we require three variables, and what sort of values they store? If you observe this 10 is an integer. That means length is a variable. It will store the integer value, and breadth is another variable. It stores another value 20. This is an integer. Area, when you multiply 10 and 20, the result is 200. This is also an integer. You understand? Okay. Now we'll write a C program for this solution. How we write it? Let us see. So this is the code block I'm using to write C language programs and execute here. So how do you write C language program? First one is main. We write main and curly brackets. So here we require three variables. One is length, length, breadth, and area. These are three variables we require in order to calculate area of rectangle. So they store the values numbers. Numbers are, in other words, they are integers, they are whole numbers. So how do you represent integer in C language? Int. Like this, int length, breadth, area. Okay. Now, length value is how much? 10. Length. Length is equal to 10. Breadth is equal to say 20. And area is equal to length multiplied by breadth. After that, printf. Printf is a command to print the results. So it is an integer. So put it in double quotes. This is percentage %d and again area. So this is the program. So once I write the program, here you observe these three variables, length, breadth, area. These three things are required to calculate area of rectangle and they store the values integer. That means we are declaring these three variables. What sort of data they take? Only int values or integer values. Integers are whole numbers, right? So if how to execute this program? So go to build and run. So here you save in a directory called area and save it. So I save this printf area. This is here semicolon. So save this printf area. Everything is a main. These are the declarations. So here printf is a command to print the values. Area is the final value, the answer. So how to run this? Build and run. So look at this 200. We got the answer 200. I compile this program and I run this program. The answer is 200. 10 multiplied by 20, the result is 200. And here you got message process returns 0. Result 0 indicates that the program is executed successfully. And the execution time, how much time it takes to execute the program? 0.047 seconds. Press any key to continue. If you want to close this window, you can close this. Okay, you understand this? Any questions? You can on my website. Any questions you have, go to this website and post your question. I will respond to your questions. I will answer your questions. Okay, thank you very much. Have a great one. If you like this video, you subscribe, click on the bell icon and subscribe to it. I will be giving you more videos on C language. Every day I will release one. And I wish you all the best. Thank you very much. My name is Chari. So we'll meet in the next video. Thank you very much. Have a great one.